ready after my workout. So starving. So similar to my last video, I'm like post-workout starving. I am. I don't eat much before my workouts. I've been snacking on Sprout Living probiotic almonds. This is their Italian truffle flavor with adaptogen form of mushrooms, which is chaga and reishi. Super incredible ingredients. These almonds are addicting. And I'm not just saying that because work with this brand. I have an affiliate code. So if you feel like shopping this brand, it helps me a little bit. Just, I love being honest. But anyways, these are so addicting. I equally love these as much as I love the cheesy ones. And what's so genius about these is nuts are incredible for us, but we're not supposed to have that many. But something flavored like this, that's just such an addicting snack. It's really nice that it is already portioned out in the 1 ounce serving. So that way you're getting just the right amount, because I could just see myself like eating straight from the bag, or like let's say I kept these in my car like for an emergency snack, which I always recommend keeping something healthy in your car because you never know when you're going to be starving, and having good snack options is always key. And these are so good. I'm out and about today because I have a meeting here, a very big meeting that I'm very excited about. I do social media marketing because my business of this Mediterranean lifestyle business, though I have the guide, which if any of you have gotten the guide, the Modern Mediterranean Diet Guide that I released at the beginning of the year, please leave a review, like a star rating. That's so helpful for me. Even if you want to email me like, hey Caroline, I was actually disappointed that XYZ wasn't in the guide, or maybe you enjoyed the guide but you really would have liked this also in the guide, like to help you with your Mediterranean diet journey. So any feedback, whether you want to like email me feedback, DM me feedback, leave a rating. I mean, if it's like a 0-star rating, maybe like don't do that. I mean, I want honesty, but I don't know. Anyways, but what I was saying is this world of my business world of like creating my personal brand and the modern Mediterranean lifestyle, I'm still working on it. So something else that I do on the side, I have my other business where I do social media marketing, and I'm taking on a really big client, I think. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll see how this meeting goes. Anyways, almond break. It's February 29th today. The beginning of the month, I was kind of busy with filming and getting up the recipe video, which was the 4 snacks. And then the next really cool thing I did in February was go to a pasta making class. We're finding parking downtown. Quinci, because it's Italiano. The owner's from Sicily. We're going to our annual pasta making class. Last year, was it last year or 2 years ago? We made gnocchi with like threads of saffron, very beautiful, and like a Sicilian pesto. You should park there, because I know you could park against the park. Okay, we're getting stressed out. We're late because it started 4 minutes ago, but hopefully everyone's just chatting at this point. But anyways, we made gnocchi 2 years ago, which was very fun. Tonight we are making capelletti. Little hats filled with goat cheese and prosciutto. Very excited.
Ah, fregatura.
Very excited. Parking downtown sucks. Very stressful. We're such separate babes. I'm gonna talk Italian with the owner. Perché noi parliamo un po' di italiano. Lei parla più di me, ma io parlo un pochino. Ma adesso noi cerchiamo per un parcheggio. How do you say it? Parcheggio? Un parcheggio. What's this guy doing? No, I don't think. Yeah, maybe.
Montano.
I think you can go there. Okay, getting hot in here. Okay, we're gonna find parking.
Why can't we park here?
Because it's people who live there.
You sure?
We're gonna find parking. Talk to you later. And just pinch all of those. What I do. This is why you need a strong wall. This goes inside. I feel like this one. Okay, so now
But we want to we need more olive oil in our lives. And inside that it's like we go through the smile, which is what this is going to be. But if you use it fresh like this, especially with let's go a little bit into a messy, perché poi come si
Guarda. Sì, questo un po' di savory.
Like a week after that, I was doing work and everything and planned to do another recipe video, and then just absolutely got sick. It was terrible. And then to end the month, just convinced myself I wasn't sick anymore, I went to the Cleveland Zoo. Ciao. It is Sunday. I'm in Cleveland. I'm walking right now down the stairwell to go get acai bowls. They're my favorite things ever. I love them. I know they're like low-key a little bit unhealthy because it's like a sugar bowl of fruit, but I tell myself they're healthy, especially right now because I'm still pretty sick. Sick enough to be missing my workout still, which is pretty big of a deal for me. Anyways, today I'm actually feeling better, minus the congestion. Ears are clogged up, but I'm feeling so much better, and I'm going to the Cleveland Zoo today to see the not tiny anymore, I'm sure they're much bigger, but there's tiger cubs, and I love cats, and I love anything small, so I really want to go see the cubs and just finally enjoy feeling not deadly. So that's the plan. Thank you. Yeah, you have a good day. You too.
And it's going, don't clap. I didn't do it for the claps.
Oh my god, they're cuddling.
Her husband
There's the there's the mom.
Oh,
she's balancing.
The mom is
Oh my god. It's something in its mouth.
The mom looks like how I look when you're climbing all over me.
Now let's go to a
Cross species, right?
Yeah, she's just like, oh my god.
She's like, oh, she was just like, no thanks.
Yeah.
This way.
Are y'all done, sweetie?
No.
Okay.
Now let's go to the fairs.
Are you done looking, Maisie? No, you
like,
won't.
no,
Maisie
I don't like that. So that was February. That was kind of a recap of February. March is going to be the craziest month. So now I'm gonna get off and continue creating a very zestful day. I just made my protein coffee. The Mediterranean lifestyle, one of the most important parts is making as much as you can at home and using such minimal ingredients. So I just use black coffee. I like a coffee concentrate because I don't have an espresso maker right now or a coffee maker, which I'm looking into, of course, getting one. Water it down so it makes about 8 to 10 ounces of coffee. The protein powder, I do a big heavy scoop. I like vanilla, I like grass-fed. Grass-fed protein powder is really important. Now, is it grass-finished? No. Do I think something is better than nothing? Yes. I don't consume a lot. I rarely shop. I rarely buy a lot of things, but I will spend money on food because to me it's medicine. To me it's longevity. To me food is how I feel, how I look, how long I'm gonna live. Yeah, I can't escape cancer. At the end of the day, if cancer wants to get me, cancer's gonna get me. But I have to stop and say like, wow, I'm 26, almost 27, and I have still never spent the night in a hospital. What a blessing. And I want to be delusional and believe it's because I'm very fit and I eat very healthy. And I eat plenty of cookies and ice cream and sugar, and sometimes I have French fries, and that's my 20%. 80% it is such wholesome ingredients. And even when that 20% is more indulgent, I'm eating really wholesome foods. Like I'm eating real butter that goes into cookies and real sugar. So that's why it's like protein powder. It's not a Mediterranean diet food. It's a Caroline Franco food because I'm obsessed with getting a lot of protein in, meeting my goals health-wise. But if I'm gonna have protein powder, which is very processed, which is dairy, I prefer. In this, you couldn't put vegan protein. I love vegan protein. I use vegan protein to bake with. I use vegan protein to make granola bars, all kinds of stuff. To drink protein, it's gotta be dairy in my opinion. Such a random rant that had nothing to do with what I wanted to talk about. That is not why I turned on my camera. Thursday in the car, I was heading into a meeting, nailed the client, which means I have had no time for my own business. And I am taking a deep breath. This is my baby and I will never ever give it up. But I'm gonna have to push back a lot of recipes in the month of March. There's just so much competition in this industry. Every day that I don't post a TikTok or upload my YouTube videos, I'm like, oh, I'm falling behind, and there's 800 million other, you know, TikTokers out there, and I'm never gonna stand out, and I need to post right now, I need to post right now. But at the end of the day, it's like, you do have time, Caroline. Nothing amazing in life comes quickly. So I just need to tell myself, there's plenty of time. Like, that's my new mantra. There is time. Not in the sense of like I should put off things, obviously. I don't want to procrastinate, but I just want to stop this heartbeat of overwhelm. In my last video, the support you guys gave me, I didn't expect that. I wasn't searching for that. I was just trying to be honest. I don't ask for sympathy, and I know you guys just want to support me, and it's like, oh, the biggest hug in the world. After Thursday, bliss. Friday was gray. It was rainy. I spent the entire day on my computer. Friday was a gicky day, so whatever. Saturday, went out and got coffee with a girlfriend, which was much needed, prioritizing friends, and then I went to go get my nails done. Sunday was a get organized day, get on top of how I'm gonna go about my week, because Monday was a huge content day for my client. I spent the entire day Monday with my mom, and we shot content the entire day. So that was Monday, and today's Tuesday. I gotta get the heck out of here. So that's the little update. Ciao, ciao. Ciao. I'm in my bedroom right now. I have no furniture in my bedroom, so it's a little bit echoey. In my bedroom, I have a huge life update. I'm moving. Yesterday was Saturday. It's my first official moving day. I made lemon blueberry muffins, of course, for anyone who came to help with the move. And today is Sunday, back at the house, just doing some random tasks. I have missed having my own space. I had my own space in college. I moved to Chicago, had my own space. I moved to Arizona, had my own space. Lived with my grandma in Italy for a while, and then I came back to America, and I've been living with my grandma. And so now I get to curate my own world, and there's so many thoughts and feelings I have towards this whole situation, and there's so much to come from it. But the best part is I'm finally going to be able to create so much better. Now I'm going to be able to do so much more of lifestyle things, of what's in my pantry, going grocery shopping, sharing more of like all of my everyday life with you guys, so I can really talk about the Mediterranean lifestyle and all different ways of the Mediterranean diet and the lifestyle go together. I don't have to do just recipe videos. Thank you for your support. Thank you so much. I am so grateful for you. Thank you for watching. I know there's no recipes in this video. They'll come back. It'll be better than ever. I'll be more inspired than ever because I'll be in this amazing atmosphere. But right now we're transitioning life and things are crazy, and it's okay, and thank you for letting me share my life with you. So until next time, I hope you create a very, very zestful day. Ciao.